Feeling stretched thin by one-on-one sessions, but want to grow your coaching business? Scaling up without burning out is possible. Hi, I'm Lisa from Scale Mastery. Today, I'll show you how to create a coaching program funnel that allows you to offer group coaching, helping you serve more clients at once without extra manual effort. Imagine growing your income and impact by offering group sessions that practically run themselves. In this video, we'll walk through setting up a scalable funnel for group coaching programs, from sign-up pages to automated payment and confirmation emails. And if you stay till the end, you can download a ready-to-use funnel template to launch your group program right away. So, let's dive in. Setting up a sign-up form. First, go to your HighLevel dashboard. We need to set up a sign-up form for our leads. Go to the Sites tab on the left-hand side. Click the Forms section and select the Add Form button. Start from scratch and name the form. For example, Sign Up Form. Use the elements to create the form as required. Once complete, click Save. Creating a coaching program funnel. Now, go to the Funnels tab to create a coaching program funnel. Click the New Funnel button and start from a blank template. Name the funnel, for example, Group Coaching Program Funnel, and click Create. Add a new step by clicking the Add, New Step, or Import button. Creating the welcome page. Name the first step, Welcome Page, and select Create from Blank. You'll receive a blank page to design as needed. Insert sections and elements like headings, subheadings, images, buttons, and more. Add images by selecting the image option, uploading or linking the image URL, and adjusting its properties. Add a sign-up form by clicking Add Element and dragging the form option onto your page. Select the form you created earlier. Include course details and client reviews to build trust. Once your welcome page is complete, review it to ensure everything is correct. Then click Save. Creating the Thank You page. Add another step named Thank You page by clicking the Add, New Step, or Import button. Insert sections and elements to design the page, including links where clients can connect with you. Save the thank you page when done. Automating the funnel. To automate the funnel, go to the Automation tab and click Create Workflow. Start from scratch and name the workflow, e.g., Coaching Session. Set a trigger. Click Trigger and choose Form Submitted. In the Filter section, select the specific sign-up form you created. Add an action, click Action, and select Send SMS or Email. Draft an email with details about the coaching program, appointment time, duration, and a contact link. Adding a reminder email. Insert a wait action, such as 1 day before the appointment. Add another send SMS or email action to send a reminder. Save the workflow and test it by clicking Test Workflow and inserting a contact. Finally, activate your workflow by toggling the Publish button and clicking Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a coaching program funnel that allows you to offer group coaching. Ready to scale up your coaching business? Click the exclusive link in the description for a 30-day free trial with Go HighLevel. Double the usual trial time. You'll also get instant access to our coaching program funnel template, so you can start scaling with group programs seamlessly. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe for more ways to grow your business. And don't miss our next video on converting discovery calls into clients with automated follow-ups, perfect for improving your lead conversion. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.